Every year, millions of people arrive on El Salvador's shores seeking a unique experience: the sea, the cuisine, and the culture that make our beaches an unforgettable destination. But behind that experience lies a question few people ask themselves. What happens to the waste left behind by tourism in the places we all want to enjoy? In coastal areas like El Zonte, the growth of tourism has created new opportunities for local communities, but it has also generated an increasing amount of waste that ends up affecting the very ecosystems these communities rely on. Among this waste are hundreds of coconuts that, after playing a part in the tourist experience, are discarded and abandoned. Meanwhile, restaurants continue to use conventional materials whose production and disposal have a significant environmental impact. That's why we align with SDG 12. That is why we developed Cocopax, an emerging bio-based material made from coconut mesocarp, combined with natural ingredients to create a structure that is lightweight, durable, and thermally insulating. It is transformed into sustainable tableware designed specifically for restaurants along the Salvadoran coast. Our process begins by recovering coconut waste already present in the environment. Through a bio-based formula and an artisanal transformation process, we turn that waste into a new material capable of creating a line of functional, durable, and fully biodegradable plates. A solution designed to integrate seamlessly into the country's tourism and culinary experience. Unlike conventional tableware, Cocopax utilizes resources already found in the region and gives them a second life. What was once considered waste becomes an opportunity. Each Cocopax plate represents much more than just a vessel for serving food. It breaks culinary monotony through modular designs inspired by surf culture. When placed on the table, the pieces connect harmoniously, recreating organic patterns that transform plating into an interactive dining experience. It represents a circular economy where waste collected from the coast returns to the restaurants along that same coast, transformed into something of value. It represents a potential reduction in waste, new opportunities for local communities, and a culinary experience aligned with a sustainable tourism. And above all, it represents a model that can be expanded along the entire Salvadoran coast. The beaches we admire today deserve to endure tomorrow, aligned with SDG 14. That is why, instead of extracting more resources, we decided to transform the ones we already have. Our promise of 3 is zero plastic, zero carbon footprint, and zero waste. From sea to table, from waste to resource, from problem to solution. Cocopax, the circular economy served on every plate.